Welcome to Katerina Finds. I received face pad cover for MetaQuest 3S. It comes in the box. Would make a great gift if you have a player at home. Let's see. It comes with instruction, and here is the pad. This pad is super easy to install. It works with MetaQuest 3S. The surface of this pad is ice silk material, very smooth to touch. It has a lot of memory foam to relieve the pressure on the face. It will help to dissipate the heat and reduce stiffness during the play. It also has anti-fog ventilation ports. It will help to reduce lens fogging during the long game sessions. And also it will help you not to sweat so much. There is a nose guard that is detachable and it's made of soft silicone material. This pad will block out all the light to give you better gaming experience. So it's glasses friendly pad. My son will help me to install it.
This facepad cover has a snap-on design and can be perfectly installed on your VR headset MetaQuest 3S. No matter how intense the game is, it will not fall off and affect your experience. This bracket ensuring a perfect fit for all users, including those who wear glasses. The nosepad is engineered to block out nearly all stray light for deeply immersive experience. My son didn't like it and he removed it, and it still was very comfortable to use and light was not bothering him. Ventilation ports help to maintain optimal airflow. My son liked this pad a lot. He can wear glasses on and off with it. Also, it was fitting well with the battery pack he has on. He enjoyed it a lot, and I do recommend it.